Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. It's your boy PGH, and you know how we do it. We bring to you all the entertainment stuff in town, all the entertainment gist in town. So today we are in the camp of Medikal and Sarkodie. Sarkodie and Medikal. So Medikal has shown his deepest gratitude to Sarkodie. Medikal has shown his love for Sarkodie. Medikal in his recent tweet says Sarkodie actually helped him, or he featured Sarkodie in one of his track or one of his song titled Confirm in 2015, and that song actually changed everything for him. The rapper explained that Confirm made him blow in the music industry. So without wasting much of your time, let's quickly read the tweet. Alright, so this is what Medikal wrote. Big up Sarkodie for that verse you gave me on Confirm. It changed everything from 2015. You didn't charge a penny. God bless you and your household. Tracy, Titi and MJ. Go forever chop blessings. Angelo too. Love. So Medikal has shown his love, has shown his gratitude for what Sarkodie did for him, and this is very good. Alright guys, thank you for staying with me. So leave your comment in the comment box and let me know your mind about this video.